Meaning of hemisphere.
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 Hemisphere. Hemisphere refers to one half of the Earth, which is divided by either the equator or the prime meridian. The Earth has 4 hemispheres, which include the Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, and Eastern Hemisphere. Each hemisphere contains different continents, oceans, and climate zones. The Northern Hemisphere includes North America, Europe, and Asia, while the Southern Hemisphere includes South America, Australia, and Antarctica. The Western Hemisphere includes the Americas, and the Eastern Hemisphere includes Europe, Africa, and Asia. Understanding the concept of hemispheres is useful for geography, navigation, and weather forecasting.